hours.
We're on the outside.
Oh, we're on the road. We're outside. We're on the road. We're on the road. Like, this is so long overdue. You guys missed it, so it's back.
I see this.
Anyways, we're at Ashley's house waiting on her, so we're getting on the road today. Yeah. We're going to Bowden Hills River Falls in Stony Hill, so catch y'all there when Ashley reach.
Guys, fun fact, I'm gonna drop some clips when I tried the last year and the bridge did broke down and wow. I just want to get a Captain vlog.
Right? Yeah, so it did work
as soon as possible, everything will come back normal and people can get to go up at the fall and have a nice beauty of the environment up there, enjoy the cool weather and thing.
Maybe we'll try back for the summer then, we'll sure say
try back for the summer. Yeah. I think that would be alright.
Yeah,
for the summer?
Yeah.
So glad meeting you and thank you that you are, you know, trying to get me involved in your video.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. I want to hope I not come out ugly. As I
come on, so you look.
What you tell him, say?
Yo,
shut your mouth, you get a little bit of money.
Life is sweet.
As per usual, we think we'll last.
No, a
proper circle.
No, we're not last. This is the right.
But no, you just don't know, Shago.
The GPS.
Proper circle.
The GPS said this is the right. Why the phone even there? The GPS said, what the hell is the 77? The GPS said this is the right way.
Guys, this is the road so far.
Oh yes.
Yes. And the back shore, whatever they know. The bridge can't drive on?
No.
What? So what am I saying the button? But so, you can't drive on? Yeah, you can't drive on. But why if a friend person or you can't drive on? Hope them keep good. Just to clarify, we have a Google Maps dropping the one when I come here, so let's ask people from there, so because Shaga dropping them very far from where the location actually is.
So the square, what is the square?
The square for look like so things are there.
The square
but
she said church.
She said square.
So you have the party school
Square.
and then you reach out square. But this sign just said to the school, so I right where you're there. No. We're saying there's somebody, so we said to this school. Oh, where's my park? Park at the school.
Park at the school.
So where's school there? Our school back there.
We passed the school already?
No, a sign said
to the school.
Hello, gentlemen. I forgot.
Guys.
I'll be glad. I'll meet with me glad in the backyard with you. But I'm going to scrape right now.
So, you know what that means. So guys, we reached the park in high school.
I'm gonna get a sign.
We're outside without fear. We're a little bit of fear though. But yeah, we're at waterfalls right now. Falling Edge Waterfall in Stony Hill. Stony Hill with the gang, so we're gonna take it down right now. Hopefully it's fun.
And we're very, very, very late, so this just have to be very quick.
Right.
And they have one damn no swimming sign. Swimming is for, but that makes sense. That makes sense. Why would you swim there? Trees and everything is so pretty and different. Like, oh my god, I feel like I haven't walked too far. You know, when I get to the place, dog, I saw in here. Like.
But no, like, I'm hoping you can't film in here, so can't say nice action.
Giving you ideas.
Right. Don't say that.
Bossy.
Imagine if you do the bronze was no, they do not dead like what?
With our, what you call it? What kind of legs you have?
Yeah, but these sensitive spreadsheet though. I'm not cross the floor no night though. Nobody not get me the doctor.
Oh my gosh. Just don't slide.
That name dead.
As always with all our efforts. But me so much Jesus. Honestly. Honestly.
But guys, I should make the man check out with.
She's just way in the front, but no guys, my whole legit nearly book off. Honestly.
You mean no? Guys, that's a her movie girl, you know, look how she makes us separate from the front.
Barely seen them. I thought this was a little trip, but it's going on. A little bit. I'm a little winded. Wow, but it looks like to use hills.
Come.
Honestly,
Yes,
choose the right because today.
Give us space.
Give me a little space. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, my Blue Mountain crew. I literally slid twice in the mud, like I almost drop a ground. Like when I catch back my balance, I slide again. Something can go so crazy. I almost mashed up my pretty little face.
Few moments later.
I literally dropped and if I can see dirt from my hand. Oh my gosh, like me legit almost I was this close to the ground. When I catch myself, oh my god. Last time I see them up here dangerous, okay? Where is Ashley going? Closer to the falls? Closer to the falls to the other side. And the water did cold and you're going on that just fine. Guys! Water cool style. From last year, I'm gonna cool water. This is crazy. But guys, okay, I'm full of mosquitoes. I'm not lying.
Right?
Mosquito
I'm not sure if I'm pick up, but I'm pick up on the camera. I'm pure mosquito. I'm something like a mosquito.
Mosquito pick from one side.
So that's it, nice guys.
I'm afraid more than. Like it's not. The guy town one did cold.
That is so cute.
Oh my god, so cute. Actually get naked.
Right? I feel much better on the head. But no, I can actually swim. She's fake. She can actually swim. I mean, keep on saying that she lie. She does very lie. She can actually swim. That's a strong thing.
Try.
That's a reference to everything like 1 minute before you bucket.
I love that you're doing some body right. I'm not going further. No girl, I'm look cool. Look like school girl. People have finally reached what is going on here. can do it by myself. I see her there with man. But we're just telling you we're heading back. And
This is how messy. It's hard to go back without wet slippers.
and my foot slide out. So all I want to Crocs slippers don't have the right idea.
Yeah, you wear Crocs.
Anyway, I put up my phone because I can't afford to drop again or drop my phone.
Ready gala at your art. Muggle pan them.
No, actually, I abs them right enough.
My eater!
I'm feel like Hillary Mimi.
My eater, honest to God, I'm not joke. If I not get abs by now on in August,
I thought you said tomorrow.
I can't get it for tomorrow.
No, that she said. She said she want abs for tomorrow.
No, we can't make no.
We never get on this up.
No, yes sir, yes sir. No, we're not gonna get no small hole.
I must make as fast as I think so.
No boy can't carry me round no corner. Go show me no banana.
On the light?
Long out the park. 3 o'clock in the morning.
Morning, they walk up and down with them talk.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Guys, we are back. We are back. That was one hell of a walk. That was one hell of a walk.
Hi, loving.
What's wrong with you?
You know.
She's so cute. Cute.
Cute when my hair's wet.
No, that's it, guys. Catch y'all in the next vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. We had fun. Nice in here, nice.
But yeah, guys, I know finally outside vlog. I know you guys missed it. We also missed it. And it's very fun.
Maybe the next vlog might be an outside one as well. You have to stay tuned. And please press the bell notification so you guys can know that we post.
And subscribe, please.
Right? And tell new people like we want. So make your family grow. So yeah.
So we did a search for Hillary phone. And he left panic car.
I left. I want to look. Never find me.